Hi everyone, this is Mehek Khanna from Controlled Alt Fit, and today we'll be talking about basic stretching after any workout. So whether you are running, whether you are strength training or whether you are cycling, these basic stretches are very important and you can do them anywhere while you are standing. You don't need to lie down or you don't need any special equipment. What is the basic purpose of stretching? So stretching helps us elongate the muscles which otherwise we contract during the exercise, and thus they help in reducing the soreness. So never skip your stretching. Here we go.
To begin with, stand in a comfortable position, lift up one of your legs, fold the knee and bring the leg closer to your body. Now take the same leg behind, try to touch your heels with your butts. In every pose, try to stay there for at least 20 seconds. Now from here, move your leg out. This stretches your spine as well. Slowly bring your leg to the front position again, hugging the knee. Now, taking the knee up. This stretches your hamstring muscles. Now, bring the leg to the opposite side. Runners who have issues with IT band, this is an excellent stretch for them. Now, hold your feet to the opposite leg and bend down in a squat. For this you can use anything for balance. If you want, you can hold something while you're doing it. So go and stay there for at least 20 seconds. Slowly release your stretch and rest. Now we repeat the process on the other leg. First we fold our knees and hug it, bring it closer to the chest, stretching our quads, then taking our leg back, and finally opening it up, stretching our spines, our hamstrings and our glutes. Folding the leg towards the same side on the outer side, stretching our hamstrings, folding it inwards, stretching our glutes, and an excellent stretch for the IT band. Folding it on the top of the other leg, bending down in a squat and holding there for at least 20 seconds and finally letting the leg go. So once you're done with the stretch, just shake your leg so that your blood circulation gets normal. Then stretch up and bend down and touch your foot. You can go further depending on how flexible your body is, and slowly come back to the original position. Now fold one leg on top of the other, stretch up and go down slowly, keeping both the knees straight and trying to touch the toes. You can pulse around in one direction and then in the other direction 5-6 times, or you can stay on one side for 20 seconds and then come back. So note, your spine will be slightly hunched here because your knees are straight. And finally we come back up. We repeat the process on the other leg, folding one leg on top of the other, stretching up, going down, trying to touch our toes or the ground or our shoelaces, whatever our hands may reach, and tapping the foot on the sides, stretching our legs, and finally coming back to the center and coming up slow. Okay. Now the next stretch, widen your legs, go down in the mountain pose, make sure your heels are touching firmly on the ground, and go up in the cobra pose. Cobra pose stretches your spine, and again mountain, again cobra. Repeat this 4-5 times. So being in the mountain pose stretches your calves, it stretches your hamstrings, and being in the cobra pose stretches your spine. And finally come back to the original position. Try to shake your leg or walk around before you start the next stretch. So hold up your hands and try to twist from one side to the other side. Try keeping your trunk in the center, only the upper body rotates. And stretch up and bend towards one side. Come back and bend towards the other side. You can repeat this 4-5 times. Now put your weight on one leg and make the other leg straight, slightly pointing outwards, and hold your foot from the toes and pull in your toes. This is an excellent stretch for calf muscles. Your weight should be on one leg, the leg that is bent, the other leg is straight, and we hold it from the toes and pull in the toes and stretch our calves. Now is the time to stretch our shoulders. Hold your arms from the elbows, pull the arm inward and look towards the opposite side. Remember to repeat every stretch on both the sides. Now it's time to stretch your neck. Hold the neck on one side, slightly use your hand to pull it towards the opposite side. Stretch up on your toes and walk around. You may increase the duration of this walk on the toes. And finally you are done.
So we had a look at simple stretches which we can do after our workout. Very simple movements, no equipment, no external help required, and never skip your stretching. Keep watching us at Control Alt Fit, and we'll be coming up with more workout videos. All the best.